In this particular video, I am going to talk about how to take a screenshot in Redmi or in Poco mobile phone. So in this phone, MIUI is available. So let's talk about how you can take a screenshot. It is very simple and I hope that you will also understand how you can do that. So just a slide down little bit and you can notice that toggle icon is available. If you press this toggle icon, then a screenshot is taken. You can notice a screenshot is perfectly taken, but for some people in some mobile phone this icon is not available here. In this case, what you have to do, you just click here this edit icon, and then in the available toggle option that particular icon will be available. So for example, if I will remove this, if I will click here and remove and done, then you can notice there are no any such icon is available. Again I am clicking this edit icon, and then you can notice that available toggle section the screenshot is available. You can see you can see here. So if you want to if you want to add that particular toggle, then just click here, means screenshot, then just click this plus icon and then that is taken, and just click here done, and now you can notice that this icon is available here, take a screenshot. But if you want that it should be on the top, so you can also arrange very easily. Just click here the edit, and suppose this icon, this screenshot icon, just hold your hold that particular icon. Now you will able to drag and drop, just move, and whenever you want to kept it and want to position, you can situate at that place. For example, here I want, so after the aeroplane mode, so I can kept it here. And now the screenshot is situated after the aeroplane mode icon. So now I am clicking this done, and now you can notice that it is available. This is the one way. Another way is that go to the settings and then go to the additional settings and then button shortcuts and then take a screenshot. Here there are some of the option is available for taking a screenshot. Basically I am not using my mobile phone with 3 fingers, so generally slide 3 fingers down is the best option for me to take a screenshot. Sometimes you want to if you want to take a screenshot, then you can use your 3 finger to take a screenshot. So in this way you can take a screenshot. Otherwise some other option, other shortcut is also available, but make sure that same shortcut is not applicable for 2 functionality. For example, home button, if I will press here the home button, then it will launch the Google Assistant, but if I will select that button to take a screenshot, then no more Google Assistant will work. So that's the problem. So make sure that this should not collide, otherwise previous shortcut will be replaced with the new one. Otherwise you can also notice some other shortcut is available based on your requirement and suitability. You can select any of them. For me, slide 3 fingers down is the best, that's why it is selected, and I think it is by default is maybe selected. If not, then you can select it. And another, if you don't want to set any shortcut for a screenshot, then you can select the none. If you select the none, then of course here you will not able to take a screenshot through the shortcut. So I hope that you understand. If you will face any problem related to this, then definitely let us know. Thank you for watching.